Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone. My name is Kathy. How many documents did Judge Stephen J. Hippler order to be unsealed, either in a redacted format or completely unredacted, 2.5 months ago when he issued the order unsealing, redacting, and or maintaining sealed status of documents? You can find this document in State of Idaho versus Brian C. Kohberger on the State of Idaho Judicial Branch's Cases of Interest webpage. We have a link for you in the description to this podcast episode. If you go to that document, you will find that Judge Hippler ordered a total of 90 documents to be unsealed from the months of January, February, and March of 2025. And thus far, of those 90 documents, only one was unsealed recently. This had to do with text messages. They were under seal as part of the defense's response in opposition to the state's motion in limine, a request for a court order in limine pre-trial. At the time, February and March, when these motions in limine, their responses and replies were filed, there still was a trial looming on the horizon in August of 2025. So what the in limine briefings were directed toward was either the state or the defense asking Judge Hippler for a court order to either allow this evidence to come in to the jury trial, or alternatively, to not have certain evidence come in to the trial on various grounds. Now, there were other filings from January, February, and March that were also part of this court order. But the motions in limine, in my opinion, were very important because it dealt with such things as IgG DNA evidence concerning suspect vehicle 1, CSLI, Mr. Kohberger's alleged purchases, and click history on Amazon, which is the outlet that the state alleged that he purchased a K-bar, a sheath, and a sharpener while he was still living in Pennsylvania. If you go to this court order, again, December 18th, 2025, this relates to the October 16th, 2025 court order. This was the third court order that Judge Hippler issued seeking the parties' position regarding the unsealing of the third set of documents identified therein, and they're numbered 88 to 179. What is this numbering? This is the sequential numbering, which began in the very first court order with document number 1. Continued on, the last item in the second court order was document number 87. So the third court order started with document number 88. You're going to have to look at the October 16th order because that will tell you what these numbers relate to. The court says here, the court has reviewed the parties' respective responses and rules as follows. Section A, documents to unseal. This is the section of this court order where documents are ordered to be unsealed with 0 redactions. There are approximately 58 documents listed here. Section B is the part that deals with documents that maintain sealed status. So we have to go ahead to Section C to see the rest of the documents that the court ordered to be unsealed, but with redactions. And that appears towards the top of page number 3. And you're going to find there that there are an additional 32 documents. So 58, 32, 90 documents, but we have to take away the one that the court recently unsealed. As of right now, 89 documents, therefore, ordered to be unsealed nearly 3 months ago, are still completely under seal in this case. We will continue to keep you posted as further developments arise. Until next time, this is Kathy. Thank you for joining us here today.